Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn, friends, YOLO12 release, and today I will show you how you can use YOLO12 on your local Windows 11 machine. So before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and let's get started. So friends, as I mentioned, YOLO12 is released, and today I will share with you how you can use YOLO12 for object detection, also how you can enhance your object detection using GenAI, means YOLO12 plus GenAI vision. Simple. So for that, as you can see, Ultralytics YOLO12. We have YOLO 11, but the latest model is basically the YOLO 12. So you can simply visit Ultralytics official website and you can read all the details about how you can use YOLO 12 for object detection. We have model type, as you can see, the YOLO 12 detection means normal object detection, then we have segmentation, YOLO 12 segmentation, then we have pose estimation, then we have classification also. Simple. And then this is what our model types. We have nano, we have then YOLO 12s, then YOLO 12m, then YOLO 12 large, and then YOLO 12x. So this is what our model types. Simple. And this is the basic code. As I mentioned, you can simply copy paste the code and you have your object detection. Simple. The basic object detection with the default objects, means the default train model, which is the YOLO 12 n dot, the nano model. Simple. So if you watch all videos, you know how we use YOLO 11. Only we have to mention there YOLO 12 now. If you want to use YOLO 11, you can still use YOLO 11. But if you want to try, or if you want to hands on with the latest version, you need to simply mention there YOLO 12. As you can see, YOLO 12n. That's it. So you can simply read all the documents from Ultralytics website. So how do we run YOLO 12? As I mentioned, same way, there is no change, only you have to mention the new model name, which is the YOLO 12. But on Tony Python ID, we have to upgrade the Ultralytics package for YOLO 12. So simply go to the tools, manage packages, and search for Ultralytics first package, and as you can see, I have already upgraded. Simple. So if you not upgraded, you will see their upgrade tab highlighted. Just click on the upgrade tab and upgrade your Ultralytics package with the latest one, which is 8.3.78, and then you can able to run YOLO 12 on your local machine, on your Windows machine. Simple. So just upgrade the Ultralytics and then we can run YOLO 12 on our local machine. So I have already upgraded. Now, as I mentioned, we are not going to use only Ultralytics object detection. We are going to merge with GenAI vision, means Gemini 2.0. So for that, I have created a new repository. I will mention the link. You need to simply copy paste the link inside web browser. YOLO 12 with Gemini 2.0 vehicle detection. Today we will use the by default model, and in next video I will show you how you can train your custom object detection model for YOLO 12. As I mentioned, same process is there. Simple. But I will create a separate video for custom object detection. Today we will go with only the default model. Simple. So I will mention the link, copy paste the link inside web browser, then go to the code, and as we always do, just download the zip format repository. Inside that repository, I have mentioned the full code along with the GenAI, also our video file. Simple. So minimize all these things, and we want to extract our folder. So downloads, this is what our folder. Right click, extract all, click on extract. It will extract our repository. Go inside, again same folder. So my.mp4, and as you can see, friends, this is what our video file. We have here vehicles, we have here truck, we have here car. we are not going to detect a motorcycle, we are going to detect only the car class and the truck class. Using YOLO object detection model, with the help of by default model, you can detect car class, also you can detect truck class. But as I mentioned, we are going to add here GenAI 2.0 vision model. So we have now our AI agent. So what is the concept? As I explained in previous video, where we already detect the object using YOLO and YOLO11 basically, and our GenAI. So with the help of YOLO12 also you can detect the object, but we are going to add the GenAI vision. So it means now we can detect the class along with their name. Means, let's just say, as you can see here, this is what HR truck. So with the help of GenAI, we can detect our vehicle color. Also we can detect if it is readable. If it is readable to vision model, we can simply detect which company vehicle we are detected. Means this is what the truck, in the color also it will mention the HR company. So this is what, as you can see, this is what the Bolero. So this is basically a Mahindra car. So when we send this image, this detected object or this detected car image to GenAI, GenAI will be detect as a car. Also it will mention the color of the vehicle. Also it will mention the company name. Simple. For that we will add GenAI for better object detection, for better vehicle detection. Simple. So this is what our video file. That's it. So now let's just start our code. Let's just open test2.py, and here, as I mentioned, you need to simply first upgrade the Ultralytics package. Then we are going to install opencv-python. So just open the tools and search for opencv-python, hit enter. First package, click on install button, done. It will install opencv-python. Then for AI, we will use the LangChain. So LangChain, hit enter. First package, click on install button, done. It will install LangChain. Then we need LangChain-core. LangChain-core, click on install button, done. It will install LangChain-core. Then we need LangChain-Google-GenAI. Hit enter. First package, click on install button, done. It will install our package. Simple. Now we have done with the packages. Now we need here, friends, CV zone, as you can see, because CV zone for drawing our label name, our class name on the top left corner of the rectangle. So for that we need a CV zone here. You can use cv2.putText rect method also, but I will use here a CV zone. So search for CV zone. First package, click on install button, done. It will install CV zone on our Windows machine, done. So this is how we need OpenCV. As I mentioned, we want to upgrade the Ultralytics, then we need CV zone, and the base 64 is already installed. Then we need LangChain, then we need LangChain-core, LangChain-Google GenAI. This is the packages. Simple. So we have done with packages installation. Now we need our API key. So let me open Google GenAI API key website. So friends, I have opened Google GenAI API key website, get API key, and I have already created one. I will delete that one and I will create the new one. Create API key, select any project you have, create API key, and it will generate our API key. That's it. As you can see, just copy it and we will minimize all things, and we will save our API key. You simply you can create the text file on your desktop and just save it your key here. Simple. And close, just close it and then close the website, done. And then we will copy our API key here, here, done. Now let me first start our first frame. 0, it will stop our while loop and it will start our first frame. And here it is. As you can see, I have mentioned YOLO12n.pt model, which is the latest model for object detection. YOLO12n. You can go with YOLO12s also, but I will use here nano model. So YOLO12N. Let's just run the code. It will first download our model. As you can see friends, it's downloading the model from Ultralytics, and here it is. So friends, here I want to detect the object. Also I want to send detected object to GenAI. So what is the concept? Concept is what, when we have particular object, or let's just say for in this case we have vehicle. So when we have a vehicle class, so here I have mentioned the class which we want to detect here. So we want to detect here a particular class. So we have here car class and the truck class. Only these two class I will detect. I will not go with the motorcycle class. So I will only use the car class and the truck class. So it will detect only car and truck. Simple. So as I mentioned, I don't want to detect the object in all area. I want to detect the object in particular area. So for that, the ROI concept, the region of area concept, which I have explained in several previous videos. So with the help of mouse event move function, as you can see, we will get the mouse position, the XY coordinates. So with the help of these coordinates, I have mentioned here our area. As you can see, this is what our area. This is what the coordinate. This is what the mouse move coordinate on the frame. So if I move my mouse over here, this is what my first coordinate. So here you can see 391407, 392407. Same way you have to go here, you will get the next point, then you will get the next point, then you will get for here next point. And with the help of CV2.polyline method, let me show you here. Here, as you can see, CV2.polyline method, we are drawing the polyline with the help of the self.area. So self.area is basically our coordinate point. Simple. And then you will see we have, this is what my region of interest area. So when our car, as you can see, this car, it's only in this particular area, and then it will detect the object. So you will see there is a rectangle, there is a tracker ID which is for assigned for this particular car, which is the ID1 and the class name on the rectangle top left corner. Simple as we always do. Same method which we have already done for YOLO11, same method. Simple. So when any vehicle means the truck and the car class, if inside this area only we will detect the object, and then we will crop the image. Also we will save the image inside the crop folder. As you can see, this is what my first image. Here it is. As you can see, this is the car which we detected right now. As you can see, so we crop image, we are saving image inside the crop folder, and the save image we are going to send to GenAI. And this is what the result. As you can see, for the first car which we detected, the track ID 1, the vehicle type is basically the car, vehicle color is the white, and the company name is Hyundai. So this is how you can enhance your object detection using GenAI and YOLO12, or you can go with, as I mentioned, you can go with YOLO11 also. So here it is. As you can see, we clearly see here we have white color car. We have here white color car, then Hyundai. Simple. So now we are going to check for this truck. So I will simply move the frame one by one. So let me move the frame. So I am skipping the frame one by one. I am pressing the space button. So we are going to simply cross check when we detect this truck, what we have our result. So we detected truck, and now let me close the text file. We save the image inside crop folder. So this is what I think, this is what our car, and then this is what our truck. As you can see, this is what our truck. So each object, when we have object inside the inside our area, we are cropping the with the help of CV2, we are cropping the image because we have rectangle. So with the help of rectangle, we will get the coordinates. Let me show you here. We will get the coordinates. Here it is. As you can see, crop image x1, y1, x2, y2. This is what our detected object rectangle coordinates, and we are cropping the image detected rectangle y1 colon y2, x1 colon x2. as simple as, friends, as simple as. Simple. So when we crop the image, we are saving the image inside the crop folder, and then the save image we are sending to GenAI, and then GenAI will, with the help of vision model, it will observe what do we have, and then we have our result. So now if you open our text file, and as you can see, we detected truck, and then the HR is the truck name, and the brown color HR is the company name. If you open our frame, as you can see, as I mentioned, HR truck. So it is enhancing our vehicle detection. It is enhancing the vehicle detection. As I mentioned, this is just a demo video. In real scenario, friends, we have powerful CCTVs now. We can zoom in and we can read the number plate also. At the same time, we can read the number plate, we can get the company name, we can get the vehicle color, and also we can get the rectangle, the track ID with the help of YOLO12 or YOLO11. Simple. So the condition is what? Because we have the tracker, so I have mentioned the condition. Please don't track same ID again and again when we have the object inside this area, because otherwise it will check each image again and again, meanwhile the object crossing our area. Also let me show you here. When we have this car inside our area, we create the condition. So the condition is what? We use here CV2.pointPolygon test method. Let me show you here. We have here CV2.pointPolygon test. Here it is, as you can see, friends. Inside the process video frame, we have here CV2.pointPolygon test method. So CV2.pointPolygon test method is basically for the area. It will detect the object inside the area. So when we have our object, means the vehicle inside our area, we will use the detected object rectangle x2 and y2. So x2 and y2 is basically this corner of the rectangle, bottom right corner, bottom right. So when detected object rectangle, this x2, because this is what our x1 y1, so this is what our x2 and y2, bottom right corner. So when this x2 and y2 inside our area, then only we detect the object, means we have the ID, we have the rectangle, we have the class name, and then we crop the image, and then we send the image to GenAI. And for agent, we have here text. As you can see. Vehicle type, I need the vehicle type, means vehicle class, we can say, and then the vehicle color, and then the vehicle company. So our AI agent act like this way. Whenever it detects the object, with the help of the image, it will check for the vehicle type, it will check for the vehicle color from the image which we are sending to GenAI, and then if it is possible, it will grab the company name, means it will grab the text, or it will grab the logo if we have on the car, or if we have on the vehicle. Simple. So this is how, friends, we detected the object. Also we have, because we have GenAI, so we can enhance the detection. Simple. Then as you can see, we have here Mahindra Bolero Neo white Mahindra, which is the Mahindra car which we just detected. This one, as you can see, multi-utility vehicle. As I mentioned, friends, it is completely depending on what is your CCTV capacity. If it is has the powerful zoom in, you will get the more perfect vision with the help of GenAI. Also we have YOLO12. Now simply I will start the while loop. Okay, so here we have our while loop. Let's just save the code, and I will delete all this folder, also the file, and we will start our while loop. Let's go. So friends, as you can see, I have started the while loop. When we have object inside our area, it will detect the object, it will send the detected object image to GenAI, and then GenAI will be we observe the image, and then it will respond using our text. This is what our agent text, or we can say the prompt. Simple. Now in the crop vehicle, basically the folder, we have all the images. As you can see, the last image is basically, I can see here, this is what the Wagoner, Maruti Suzuki. So we will check inside our response text, Wagoner R. As you can see, Wagoner R, which is our last vehicle from Maruti Suzuki, and the color is basically silver. So as I mentioned friends, this is what new way to detect object using YOLO. Also we will enhance the object detection with the help of GenAI. I have mentioned the full code. I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.